Hey everyone, Jake from MowBot here. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your bearing in your Husqvarna Automower. So first off, you'll need a bearing which you can buy from the MowBot shop. Secondly, you'll need an Allen key. And thirdly, you'll need a T20 drill bit and a drill or a screwdriver if it's got a T20 bit on the end. So I've got my kind participant Jerry today, so we're going to go ahead and change his bearing. So first off, we want to release the skid plate and the bearing cover. So we go ahead and take these 3 screws out using our T20 drill bit. Super important to hold the disc just so the blades don't spin back and cut you. And now we can just remove the bearing cover and the skid plate and put it to one side. Now we can go ahead and use our Allen key to take the screw out of the bearing. Be super careful not to round the screw. And put that to the side. Then our bearing will go ahead and slide out like so. We'll grab our new bearing now and we'll take it out of the box. It's important to note that you want the notches facing upwards. So I'll go ahead and put that in. Then we just assemble it pretty much in reverse. So we go bearing and our bearing screw using our Allen key. And then our skid plate. Bearing cover. And then our bearing cover screws. Make sure you turn the torque on your drill down. That's how you change your bearing on your Husqvarna Automower.